This presentation will explain a few leadership theories that I believe will work best for me throughout my leadership journey. Transformational leadership is a process that changes and transforms people. It is concerned with emotions, values, ethics, standards, and long-term goals. This approach includes assessing followers' motives, satisfying their needs, and treating them as full human beings. It involves an exceptional form of influence that moves followers to accomplish more than what is usually expected of them. When leaders use transformational leadership, they must learn to understand and adapt to the needs and motives of their followers. This way, they are better able to inspire and lead their followers. When it comes to the follower, this approach is focused on the motivations and needs of the followers. If the leader is successful in tapping into those needs and motivations, the leader's goal will be accomplished more quickly and accurately. When it comes to context, the transformational leadership theory discussed the beneficial factors when a leader uses this approach in a management setting. It's typically a formal relationship, but the follower believes that the leader truly cares about them and their aspirations. When it comes to the process of transformational leadership, it often incorporates charismatic and visionary leadership. It consists of the leader realizing what motivates each of their followers and using those motivations to their advantage to inspire their followers to complete the task at hand. This approach will be highly effective if the leader is able to meet the needs of their followers and use their motivations to inspire productivity. It will lead to a cohesive group and optimal performance if the leader does their job well. Transformational leadership results in people feeling better about themselves and their contributions to the greater common good. Authentic leadership focuses on whether a leader is genuine and real in their leadership style. Leaders exhibit authentic leadership through a pattern of leader behavior that develops from and is grounded in the leader's positive psychological qualities and their strong ethics. It is composed of 4 distinct components: self-awareness, internalized moral perspective, balanced processing, and relational transparency. This approach to leadership focuses on how the leader should be authentic in the way that they lead. They should be honest and open with their followers about their values, goals, and motivations. Followers will be more likely to trust their leader if they use this approach. Authentic leadership directly correlates to followers who thrive at work and shows high employee satisfaction. The authentic leadership approach should be used in any situation with any context. Authentic leadership is more of a way for the leader to guide their leadership process, so it can be paired with another leadership theory to match any situation. A leader should always be authentic. When it comes to the process, the approach of authentic leadership focuses on the leader using their values, purpose, and compassion to form relationships with their followers and lead them with honesty and consistency. The authentic leadership approach leads to great results once the leader has established trust within their group of followers. Research shows that there is a positive correlation between authentic leadership and employee creativity as well as employees' hope. Researchers have also found that authentic leadership leads to optimism and trust, and that those qualities lead directly to stronger work engagement. However, this approach can and should be paired with another leadership style because it does not have many defining characteristics. There are many differences between men and women when it comes to leadership. However, women encounter significant barriers when it comes to climbing the leadership ladder. This is called the leadership labyrinth. This labyrinth includes 3 categories: human capital investment differences, gender differences in leadership styles and effectiveness, and prejudice. Women are significantly underrepresented in major leadership positions because of various barriers women face on their leadership journey. Women tend to be followers in most organizations and are therefore disproportionately concentrated in lower level and lower authority leadership positions than men. Gender differences, inequality, prejudice, and discrimination against women occurs everywhere, all around the world, on a daily basis. To remove the barriers women face on their leadership journey, there must be significant organizational reform, effective negotiations and role expectations, inspirational motivation, individualized consideration, and so much more. Understanding the research into gender and leadership can help us promote more women into the upper levels of leadership. Furthermore, removing the many barriers that women face will help ensure equal opportunity, access to the greatest talent pool, and diversity, which have been linked to success in organizations. Thanks for listening.